Hey, it's Gina from WTI. We are in my favorite season of the year, and that's summer. Now, what goes better with summer than having an amazingly gorgeous beach towel? I wish I lived in a tropical area and could show you this towel from ECCOSOPHY on a palm tree lined beach, but I live in an area of the Pacific Northwest, and we do have beautiful lakes and rivers that I've been using this towel at. Sometimes I worry that microfiber isn't going to actually dry me off, but will just kind of push the water around on my skin. But this absorbs it so well, and of course, because it's microfiber, it dries out really quickly, which is definitely a plus in my book. I got the style Marrakesh, and I think the little giraffes on it are just adorable, and I really like the backing also with the black and white geometric design. I love that it comes in its own little pouch. It makes it so nice to be able to fold it up, put it in the pouch, and put it nice and neatly into luggage if you're taking it with you on a trip. This is a wonderful towel for all your outside water activities, or if you just want to lay on it. It's very versatile. I love having it, and that's my point of view.